Welcome to
Sakura.
Study Notes. In this video, let's take a look at our complete katakana learning journey for beginners. Katakana is a Japanese writing system used mainly for foreign words, names, and sound effects. Here is our learning journey. 1. Basic katakana. 2.
Dakuten.
And.
Handakuten.
3.
Yōon.
4.
Sokuon.
5.
Chōon.
6. Extended katakana. 7. Final review. We started with the 5 basic katakana vowels. Let's practice to read.
A, I, U, E, O.
Let's read the 5 basic vowels. Can you read them? Next, we learned the K row. Let's practice to read.
Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we continued with the S row. Let's practice to read.
Sa, Shi, Su, Se, So.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, the T row. Let's practice to read.
Ta, Chi, Su, Te, To.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we learned the N row. Let's practice to read.
Na, Ni, Nu, Ne, No.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we moved on to the H row. Let's practice to read.
Ha, Hi, Fu, He, Ho.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we learned the M row. Let's practice to read.
Ma, Mi, Mu, Me, Mo.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we learned the 3 basic Y row characters. Let's practice to read.
Ya, Yu, Yo.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Next, we learned the R row. Let's practice to read.
Ra, Ri, Ru, Re, Ro.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Finally, we learned
Wa, Wo, N.
Let's practice to read.
Wa, Wo, N.
Can you read them? Read each character aloud. Here is the full chart of completed basic katakana. After learning basic katakana, we moved on to Dakuten and learned how it changes certain katakana sounds.
Ga, Gi, Gu, Ge, Go. Za, Ji, Zu, Ze, Zo. Da, Ji, Zu, Re, Do. Ba, Bi, Bu, Be, Bo.
After Dakuten, we learned Handakuten and how it changes the H row into the P row.
Pa, Pi, Pu, Pe, Po.
We reviewed how the H row changes with Dakuten and Handakuten. Next, we moved on to Yōon and learned how an I sound katakana combines with a small ya, yu, or yo. K plus.
Yōon. Kya, Kyu, Kyo.
S plus.
Yōon. Sha, Shu, Sho.
T plus.
Yōon. Cha, Chu, Cho.
N plus.
Yōon. Nya, Nyu, Nyo.
H plus.
Yōon. Hya, Hyu, Hyo.
M plus.
Yōon. Nya, Nyu, Nyo.
R plus.
Yōon. Rya, Ryu, Ryo. Yōon.
With Dakuten.
Rya, Ryu, Ryo. Ja, じゅ、じょ、りゃ、びゅ、びょ、
Yōon with Handakuten.
ぴゃ、ぴゅ、ぴょ。
Next, we moved on to Sokuon and learned the role of the small
す、
We explored how the small
す、
creates a short pause and doubles the following consonant sound. We then saw Sokuon used in words such as
サッカー、ベッド、バッグ、コップ。
Finally, we moved on to Chōon and learned about long vowel sounds in Katakana. We explored the long a sound through examples such as
カー、キー、プール、ケーキ、コーラ、コーヒー、スーパー。
For additional practice, we've learned extended katakana. Extended katakana helps us express words from other languages more clearly using Japanese. F sounds.
ファ、フィ、フ、フェ、フォ。
W sounds.
ウィ、ウェ、ウォ。
V sounds.
バ、ビ、ブ、ベ、ボ。
T and D sounds.
ティ、リ、ドゥ、ル。
CH, SH, J sounds.
チェ、シェジェ。
After completing the main stages, here's a look at everything we learned. And here is the complete basic katakana chart for reference. Congratulations! You've learned katakana from basic to beyond basic. Keep practicing and take your time. You don't have to learn everything at once. Learn katakana through our short lessons and study at your own pace. Start with the basics, then continue with beyond basic katakana as you progress. Keep learning Japanese with SakuraStudyNotes. Subscribe for more Japanese lessons.